Here I have GOCLEVER Quantum 250N, and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery from the following device. So at the very beginning, let's just open the back cover. It's a very useful operation. Sometimes when your device is frozen or just hangs, you can just remove the battery and force restart. Let me show you how to do it. Let's use the left cavity and open the whole item by using your nail finger. Let's do it step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. Let's do it right here, and that's it. Now you can remove your battery. Here you have access to your battery by using the following cavity. So let me do it. Now you can remove the whole thing, and let's just reset your device. So let's remove your battery for about 5 to 10 seconds and then put it back in the exactly same way with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put the battery here. Let's close the back cover protection. And now you have to simply press power key to switch on the phone. As you can see, the GOCLEVER is turning on, so everything went well. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Just wait until the home screen pops up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.